ML71550 AC Hose Crimper. The 71550 manual style AC hose crimper can be easily mounted to a bench using the holding fixture or held securely in a vise. This kit comes with a complete set of dies covering the standard hose sizes 6, 8, 10, and 12. Optional die sets available for reduced barrier type hoses. Fast and easy to use. Once the 71550 has been secured to a bench or vise, start by selecting the correct size die set. Remove pin and opened yoke. Insert die into yoke. Close yoke and insert pin. Position the hose fitting in the center of the die. Turn the arbor screw until the die is snug against the hose fitting. Turn the arbor screw until the die comes to a complete stop. Turn the arbor screw counterclockwise until the yoke is fully recessed. Remove the holding pin, open the yoke, and remove the hose.